Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are pulling up to the Maypen Toll Plaza. This is Highway 2000 East-West leg, the road that runs from Kingston to, I guess you could say, Mandeville now. Now they're building a new interchange for Maypen. Not at this toll plaza, but further down, closer to the Glenmuir Drive entrance to Maypen. Now, as you can see, this toll plaza, it's not usually this busy, but the reason why they're building the interchange or new entrances and exits to Maypen is because you can, if you're coming from Kingston to Montego to Maypen, that leg, you can exit and go into Maypen. But now that they've built the highway out to Mandeville, if you're coming from Mandeville, there is no way for you to, if you're going from Mandeville to Kingston, there is no way for you to exit to Maypen at this toll plaza. The entrance to Maypen is only on one side. Now, you can enter from Maypen to go to Kingston, but you can't exit if you're coming from Mandeville up to Kingston. You can't, there is no Maypen exit at this toll plaza. So that is why they decided to build the Maypen interchange, so that you can, on either side of the highway, if you're going in either direction, you can now exit from Maypen or get on the highway in Maypen. So this is one of the limitations of this toll plaza. Coming from Mandeville, there would have been no exit for Maypen. Okay, seems as if there is an accident here. Yep, that's probably what is causing the backup here at the toll plaza, because it's not usually this busy. So it's good that they're building a new interchange for Maypen, because Maypen is a major town, and they are, the highway persons that operate the highway are trying to get more persons to use the highway. So they're looking at putting in more entrances and exits. Because in Clarendon, or along the stretch of the highway, let's take Old Harbour for example. They have a lot of housing developments just by the entrance to the highway in Old Harbour. I mean, that entire area has thousands of homes. And they are trying to use that model at, say, Bernard Lodge or other areas in St. Catherine and Clarendon. Near housing developments, they are trying to put in entrances and exits there. So it's much easier for people to use the highway, and that will encourage people to pay the toll, basically. But the toll on this highway is not very expensive. It's reasonable, I must say. To go from Kingston to Mandeville, you're going to have 3 toll plazas. The existing one at Vineyards, and for a class 2 vehicle, it's gone up actually. It's now $990. That is about, oh Lord, it's $115 to $1,007 and some change US. Call it $7 US. This toll plaza is $350, which is about $2 US. So you're looking at about $10 US for a class 2 vehicle between Kingston and Maypen. And then from Maypen to Mandeville, those toll plazas are going to be at toll gates. And they are trying to keep the toll to $500 or less. And that's about $3 US. So To go from Kingston to Mandeville is going to cost about 1,500 Jamaican or about $12 US, which is very reasonable because the time from Kingston to Mandeville is now going to be 45 minutes. From Maypen to Mandeville is going to be 15 minutes. I mean, the time you save is worth the toll. But I've never seen this toll plaza so busy. Not sure what's going on, why so many people using the road today. Today is a Saturday. Hello? You guys are busy today.
I say Saturday,
Oh.
Carol and church and other people are going family yard,
Alright, good. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. So this is the exit now that you would take to go to Maypen, and on the other side there's an entrance. So if you are coming from Mandeville up, there is no exit to go to Maypen. So that's why they are building a new interchange closer to Glenmuir Drive where you can get on and off the highway for Maypen. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.